Hi, this video is to show the Prusa i3Mk3 with the MMU2 upgrade. So the printer's a standard Mark III. The Mark III's upgrade involves some stuff to do with the extruder. This fan is different. It's about a $20 upgrade. It's well worthwhile. They changed several things. They also changed this filament sensor thing here has changed as well. But that multi-material upgrade, I'll show how that works. So you have the filament. I've got on rolls. It comes with these, whatever you call these little tray things here that the filament sits in there and then rolls. So the filament gets sucked in through this tube here, and this deal is to keep the filament from getting tangled up with each other. So then the filament will feed through each of these tubes, spool around in here, then come up this tube here, and then up in here. Try and get a close-up of that. So the way this works is this shaft here turns and all the teeth turn at the same time. So how they select the filament is this wheel that turns with this stepper motor here, and this bearing pushes down on the filament here and pushes that up against this shaft, and that's what drives it up through this tube. And then this moves back and forth on this worm gear. So it feeds, say we want to feed the third filament here, this red filament. It'll feed up through here. Well, okay, say if it was lined up with the black filament here, let's say. So it feeds up through here, through this. There's a filament detector right here, and then down through, and then once it gets down through here, because there's a detector here as well, once it gets down through here, it feeds like normal, and then this thing just backs off. And after, once it's down to the hot end, then it's just like normal with a little bit more tubing and stuff. And then when it wants to switch to a different filament, it retracts up here, pulls it back out. This detector tells it when it's pulled all the way out, it pulls back to this stopped position right here, and then it picks the next one. This moves over and goes to the next filament. I've got a video I'll link here showing it in action.